You? I must be dreaming again. Oh, it's not a dream? Let me pinch you. It wasn't even that bad. So, where have you been? I couldn't contact you at all. I thought you went into a no-hunt zone again. Or something bad happened and you retreated into your shell. What else did you want me to say? Welcome back? I missed you while you were gone. I missed you so much.